Have any of these problems been bothering you? Operator messes up the packing in various ways such as wrong customer, wrong quantity. Have no clue about operator working status, and have no means of the solution to do so. Unable to check operator working history. When the problem occurs, there's no way to check the source of the problem. Operator not rechecking the package before delivering cause a lot of benefits loss. Allow us to introduce the packing control system. Make use of a barcode scanner to prevent the packing problems. Checking operator working status in real time. Able to look into any packing status. Rechecking the package before delivery to ensure the correctness of the package. All these handfuls features in Packing Control System.
IKKI. Giving shape to your dreams.